Good Monday morning, everyone. I hope you had a great weekend. Check out the Mindfulness Monday activity for today and be ready to share at 8:30. Today is Crazy Socks Day. This is the first day of Spirit Week. Wear your crazy socks, take a picture, and send them to Mr. Foster. We will show our crazy socks today. We will split into two groups for both literacy and math. There are quite a few assignments that I am still missing from people. Use today to catch up. I only have half of the class for the math quiz, and that's a plus portal grade, so you need to finish that today. Your spelling test is in Seesaw. You need to listen to the video link and write the words in your literacy notebook, and then you will submit it when you're done. So you will need to number your page 1 to 20 and make sure you take a picture so that I'm able to grade your spelling test. Let's make it a great Monday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.